Hello, my name is Robert Mathis, and right now I'm doing my video for the Digital Twin Eye Pro. During our project, I was mainly responsible for scanning the Keating building. So right now I'm just going to kind of go through a brief tutorial on how to do that. So right now, throughout this video, you'll be able to see both the perspectives. So what we do is opening up Sitescape, and with Sitescape, we'll have max area, scan mode, medium point density, and medium point size. Once you start off, you'll tap to start. And you'll see right now, I'm just trying to record this area here. Your two treadmills and things, all this workout lounge. But what you're gonna do, you're just trying to make sure you can see each area behind the iPad, because the iPad can only scan what it can see, so you can't show behind it. Sometimes it'll kind of try to guess what's behind the area if you don't show it correctly, but really you want to be able to get all the areas. What I like to do when I'm scanning is try to scan the high detail areas first, as that's the first thing the iPad will see, because what will happen is points you'll see on the screen that they kind of drag out and they won't really stay where they're really supposed to be, just due to the quality of the iPad. But so that's what I like to do. You also want to make sure that you include the ceiling as well as the floor. So starting a new area, I'll hit the floor, I'll scan to the ceiling, and then get everything in between throughout the whole time. So you just want to make sure you have a complete scan. You want to get rid of all the black dots on your screen. Going around, you see the bar on the right next to your stop button. That tells you how much space you have left in your scan. And here we're going to show also what a window looks like. So windows are sometimes difficult to scan because they're clear, so it projects what's outside instead of it showing as a natural object, depending on the lighting. Here it looks like we're fine with the window, but just that's something to be aware of as you're taking your scans. And finally, another thing you want to make sure of while you're scanning is dark areas won't show well, water won't show because of the reflection. And if you have very intense lighting, what will happen is, I'm actually going to stop the scan here. What will happen is sometimes the iPad will forget where you are and readjust and rescan objects you've already done. So you want to be careful with very bright metallic objects, metal bars, very reflective objects like basketball courts and things like that. So to end the video out, what I'm going to do is show how I save the scan. You'll see this on the other screen, on the iPad screen. So what we'll do is hit the check mark. You can see the area that you've scanned. Hit save. Name it something like workout room. Something random, it doesn't matter. But once you save it, you can export it. Export, and after you export it as a E57, and that way you can work on it in Cloud Compare, and that's usually what we use to fix our scans after that. So after that, you save it to your files, upload it to the Google Drive, and you can access it all on your laptop. So that's just a quick introduction on how to do the scans. Thank you for your time.